Movingfluid is the troubleshooter for fluid handling. We solve problems in every sector, including fabric converting during the lamination phase, in ply coupling and flap closure. Thanks to Supersix, the revolutionary glue dilution and coloring system that transforms your production line into a masterpiece of efficiency and speed. Fully automated, it guarantees extreme quality without the need for a dedicated operator. Every drop of glue is mixed with surgical precision, with no waste or excess. It saves money, takes up minimal space in the production department, and improves safety by eliminating the risks of manual preparation. Want to color the glue? Of course, with the 100% automatic glue coloring kit, which can also be integrated into existing systems. Production changes are immediate. Reduce production times, increase your profits, and never settle again. Put us to the test.